Alright, so I'm at camp here in I think it's called Monticello, Florida, sorry, right down the street from Tallahassee. I'm saying that probably one of the coolest hip camps I've stayed at since I've been using hip camp. I think I've done like 6 trips already on hip camp, mostly on my trip to Florida. But this hip camp is the coolest one. This is actually a horse farm. The couple, their property is on hip camp. They have a very lovely property. As you can see, pretty cool place. It's just a quick stop tonight, and then I'm going to be waking up early in the morning and getting back on the road, and hopefully I can make it into Louisiana tomorrow. If not, I do reserve the right to stay one more night on the road, because I think the drive from Tallahassee to Louisiana is like 10 hours. To my part of Louisiana, like 10 hours. So if I start feeling tired, then I'll just get another spot. Probably, honestly, I want to do some boondocking. I just want to pull over at a Love's or at a Cracker Barrel or something, and let's do some boondocking camping tomorrow. So we shall see. I'm actually charging my solar generator, right? I don't have a huge solar generator, so it's not going to be enough to power the whole camper, but it'll be enough to power the fan, and it'll be enough to have the TV going or what have you. But honestly, most times when I don't even turn the TV on, but it would be powerful enough to run the fan and have the TV on if I wanted to stream something from my phone to that TV, which is that TV is capable of doing. But I don't know, I just feel like I want to do some boondocking or something, or just dry camp at Love's or Cracker Barrel. So we have to see tomorrow. But yeah, camp is all set up, man. I got to do some college work. Full-time college student, so I got to do some college work. But before I, jump into the books, quote unquote, I go to school online, I am going to make dinner. Dinner is pretty simple tonight. I stopped off at Publix on the way here, and I got some popcorn chicken, and I'm going to have that with some mac and cheese and some water. And that is going to be dinner. It's going to be a quick meal because, like I said, I got some college work, and then I'm going to watch a little bit of TV, and then I'm going to hit the bed and wake up early in the morning and get back on the road. So, all right, it's time to prepare this food. It's what you call a man meal right here. Quick and simple. Some popcorn chicken, spicy popcorn chicken for Publix, and some mac and cheese. It's about to be good too.
What's giving school turns deadly.
You shouldn't be in this situation.
Cars getting ready to roll and they're in a hurry.
But first,
Damn, right in the head.
a young man gunned down,
He was just an innocent bystander.
and another one injured
I was here first. Then I had 2 more shots left.
after making a deal.
He fired shots into a crowd over a used Xbox. That is insane.
With the wrong person.
I contacted the gang unit.
I only get one shot to get the cat that did this.
Alright, so I finished that meal, that man meal, and for dessert, I'm going to be having a sumo citrus. So I was in Publix, and I seen this, and I was just like, this is a weird looking orange, so I decided to get one. So I'm gonna try it out. So what I read on the internet about it is that it is a sumo citrus. It is a large, sweet, seedless Mandarin hybrid known for its distinctive top knot, so this little knot, the little chimney, and it's easy to peel and has bumpy skin, making it popular and a convenient snack. It is a hybrid of Mandarin, navel, and a pomelo. Prized for its juiciness, sweet flavor, and high vitamin C content, and is typically in season from January to April. So we are almost done with April, and I guess this mandarin, the citrus fruit, is getting ready to go out of season. So I think I got lucky. So I'm gonna give it a try. I only got one because this thing, one of them was like $2.99 at the Publix. So definitely peels pretty good. It's kind of weird, like when you're not, like, you're trying to look at the camera, but it's looking like you're looking somewhere else when you're trying to look into the camera. So I just thought that was weird. So alright, so give it a shot. Take off some more of that. Alright, let's give it a shot. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty sweet and juicy. Not bad at all. Pretty good. Expensive to me for one, for one piece of fruit. I mean, for one fruit was like $2.99, so it came out to like $3 and some change, but it's good. Y'all let me know in the comment section if you ever had this type of citrus before.
And so the kids were gathered up one by one and sat in front of the television where the tape began to play, introducing them to a brand new show called This was the experience for hundreds of kids across the world, made to watch a seemingly harmless puppet show.
Alright, so I've done my college work and I'm just chilling now. Gonna watch some more TV, a little bit of YouTube, and probably gonna get to bed here soon. It is it's 11:30, so I probably need to get to bed soon because I'm gonna try to get on the road at like 7, so probably gonna have to take some melatonin because I had a one of those like energy shots that I got from like Publix. I drank that around like 2:30, and I still feel like I got a lot of energy left, so probably gonna have to take some melatonin to be able to go to sleep. But this is it for me in terms of filming. So I'm gonna call it a night, and I will holler at y'all the next time. If you haven't already liked and subscribed to the channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so y'all help your boy out. Alright, until next time, I'm out.